How to transfer money between accounts in Wells Fargo application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can transfer money between your own accounts in Wells Fargo application. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Wells Fargo. Make sure to log in into your account. After you log in, navigate to the bottom of the interface. There is an option as Pay and Transfer. So tap on it. After that, again on the next page under Transfer Money Between Accounts, you have to select or you have to go to two sections, that is From and To. So on the From, you have to provide the account that you're sending the money from, and under the To section you have to provide your to the Wells Fargo or any other linked account where you're sending the funds to. So once you're done with From and To section, then enter the amount and choose the transfer data. You could also add a memo for your records, but that is an optional. If you don't want to do that, you could also skip that. Once you're done providing the details and the amount, you have to tap on Continue, then review the details, then finally submit to complete. So that's it. That's how you can transfer money between accounts in Wells Fargo application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.